Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can use the windshield wipers in the Honda Jazz 2. So, if depends on the front window, if you want to use just once, just pull it up. And this is a single use of the wipers. If you want to use it in the automatic mode, just switch for the level 1. If you want to use it constantly in the lower speed, second position. If you want to use it constantly with the maximum speed, the last position. In the auto mode you can also switch the in this model we cannot switch the speed manually like here. You can just set the levels here. If depends on the ear window, you have to just switch to the on position on this side element, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.